What if every dollar you earn already had a job? No guessing, no missing money. That is zero-based budgeting. Many people earn money but still feel broke. Not because income is low, but because money has no clear plan. In this beginner guide, you will learn zero-based budgeting step by step. Simple, practical, easy to follow. This is one of the most powerful finance tips you can use today. What is zero-based budgeting? Zero-based budgeting means this. Income minus expenses equals zero. Zero does not mean no savings. It means every dollar is assigned. Rent, food, savings, investing, even fun money. Nothing is left unplanned. You decide where your money goes. Your money does not decide for you. Why zero-based budgeting works? Most budgets fail because money is unclear. Zero-based budgeting creates control. It removes waste. It increases awareness. You stop asking, "Where did my money go?" and start saying, "I know exactly where my money went." This is why it is popular in personal finance for beginners. Let's talk about zero-based budgeting, step by step. Step 1, list your monthly income. Salary, side income, any regular cash coming in. Use your real numbers. Step 2, list all expenses. Fixed expenses first. Rent, utilities, transport, then variable expenses, food, entertainment, subscriptions. Step 3, assign every dollar. Give each dollar a job. Savings is a job. Emergency fund is a job. When all income is assigned, your balance reaches zero. Step 4, track and adjust. Real life changes. That is normal. If one category goes up, another must go down. That is how zero-based budgeting works. Let's think about real-life example. You earn $1,000. Rent, $300. Food, $200. Transport, $100. Savings, $200. Personal spending, $200. Total, $1,000. Zero left. But full control. These are the common mistakes to avoid. Mistake 1, forgetting irregular expenses like gifts or repairs. Mistake 2, not adjusting the budget during the month. Mistake 3, being too strict and quitting. Zero-based budgeting should be realistic, not painful. Zero-based budgeting is not about restriction. It is about direction. When every dollar has a purpose, your money starts working for you. So ask yourself, what job will you give your next dollar?